Hi all. For a long time it's been a dream for me to have a 69 Corvette with factory side pipes. The side pipes I've been having for plus 10 years, I would say, factory. And over the years after I bought my 69 convertible, then I changed my mind about installing the side pipes on a 69 convertible, because in my mind it would look better in a coupe. So 5, 6, 7 years ago, I bought a 69 coupe in Ohio, USA, as a project car and had it shipped to DK. And now, finally, after all these years, I can look at my 69 coupe with factory side pipes. The covers are not on. That is by purpose, because I don't want to install the covers before I have painted the car. But the side pipes are there. A dream has come true for me. After a long time waiting for this, it is so nice to see finally a 69 coupe with factory side pipes. So that's really a wish come true for me. Also, after installing the side pipes, then I've played around with the rear lower valance, filling up the gaps for the factory exhaust, as this was a non-side pipe car from the factory. So I need to still smooth it out a bit, make it ready for some spray filler, and also have some small issues here I have to attend, over here, and also there's one here. I think it's hard to see that I forgot. There's this one, but there's also one in this area somewhere I can't remember. I have to look at. But in general, I would say that it's far. It's really far. So this one I will be playing with for maybe this weekend, I would assume. And then the next would be the front lower valance. As I stated in some earlier videos, this front lower valance was badly damaged when I got it in many areas, and I was almost ready to buy a new front one, but I thought to myself, no, John, you can make this. Why not try and make it? So I did. But it really needs to be smoothed out, to be made nice and ready for some spray filler. But that will come. That will come. So pretty soon, all of the car will be spray filled with a good primer, good spray filler. It will be all gray. I do not know when I will paint the car. Maybe in the spring, and I will seriously consider if I will not paint the car this year to install the side pipe covers. Just, for something for the eyes to see. Regarding the side pipes, then the actually pipes are from a big block car, so some modification has been made, and I also installed short headers, as you can see here, and then it goes under and go out. Like this in both sides. Also, the mini starter has been installed correctly, wired up, and ready to be used. So that's nice. So cooling lines and the radiator will also come relatively soon, I would say. So things are still happening. Really looking forward to getting the rear lower valance and the front valance ready and sprayed, so it's all gray. That will be a big turning point for me, especially when the wheels are coming back on with the new rear end that I have and the side pipes. Then it's a big turning point for this car. A lot of progress has been made the last half year or so. That's good. If I'm lucky, then I will, and I have time for it, then I hope that I can paint it this maybe spring or late spring or something like that. But let's see. And maybe, as I stated before, I will go for the factory orange, as it left the factory back in '69. You can see the color right here with the side pipe. So I think it suits the car well. So as I have it right now, and it's been having it since I bought it back in, I think it was 2015, then it will be orange, like factory. Okay, thanks.